So today we've got another video, but this time it's of a different Phantom, a much different Phantom. This is the Phantom Twister bagless, and this particular machine is, well, interesting to say the least. It has some issues, as I've described previously. Filter door is held on with some tape. Filter in there could probably be changed. You have to push this button and then this button to pull off the canister. It's a really weird setup, and it makes it really hard to pop this off with one hand. There is no filter in the center of this like there is supposed to be. It's just that little shroud. So then the only thing protecting the motor is this goofy little thing. As you can see, it hasn't done much. For some reason this has like curled up and out of the way. I'm not sure why that is. That's loose. It's not a great machine. I actually do really like it though, and I definitely like it better than anything Shark has put out recently. It really sucks because despite the fact that this is nowhere near the original Phantoms, just for some reason I still really like it. Just nothing that carries the Phantom name has really let me down for the most part. And this thing still does a good job. Unfortunately, the belt is starting to wear out, and I don't know where to source a replacement for this. And I have only used it a couple times, so I'm not sure why the belt is wearing out, but there's that. This is the model without the suction control, just an on-off button. But unlike the other older Phantoms, it's actually centered, so that's kind of cool. Automatic adjustment, so we'll give this a run. This thing's louder. I don't know if that's just, I mean, the motor sounds fine, so I don't think it's that. I think it's just this thing is significantly louder than the older Phantoms and the newer Sharks. Except the Stratos. The Stratos is definitely louder than this. But it's pretty typical of the time, for the most part. I still overall prefer it to a lot of the stuff that Shark puts out nowadays. Because this machine does clean better, and it's a lot easier to maneuver despite being an overall heavier vacuum. But even then, it's still fairly lightweight considering it's a full-size machine. So, if this machine was in better shape, I'd definitely like it a lot more. And even as is, again, this double button system is really bizarre. To push this button before you can push this button. I mean, it makes sense, it's a safety feature, but I'm sure a lot of people hated that. But yeah, it got a good amount of hair. Good amount of... Actually, there's not really any fine dust in here, now that I think about it. There's not really any. So, but yeah. That's the twister. And now it's time for me to twist this back up my stairs and into my collection. So that's... Is there really anything else to say? Like, is this just going to be a much quicker video? Should I just ramble for the next minute to hit the 8-minute mark for the mid-roll ads? Even though I never put in mid-rolls anyways. Well, I shouldn't say never, but I don't intentionally put them in, but sometimes YouTube will just automatically put them in. I just let YouTube do whatever they feel like as far as ads. Hi, Rocco. You like this Phantom? No? Also, this hook keeps getting caught on my pants. Every time I try to vacuum, it gets caught on my pants. Squish. 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 Oh. Squish. 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 He does not care at all. Squish. Nope, okay. Hello, cat. Hello, cat. Hello, cat. No, hi, cat. Hello, cat. Hello, cat. Hello, cat. You want a tube? You want a tube? You want a tube? You want a tube? No. There's probably some info on this back here. FM741H. 18th week of 2003. So this machine just had its 20th birthday. Wow. Fascinating. Well, anyways, this is Inteltech Studios signing out. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you all have a good one. Peace. Here's a cat. Here's a cat. Here's a cat. It's a cat. No.